Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am sharing Python problem with solution. So, Python problem is write a Python function to calculate factorial of a given number. So, we are calculate just a factorial of a given number. So, let's start our code. So, I create the one of the Python file. So, our question is, so by using the functions. So I create the one of the functions that's like this fact of n. I calculate the factor of that number n. So in this place I give just a conditions. If n to 0 return 1, else return n minus 1. So I think that number. Very good. Fine. Print fact of, that is function name, and then number. Just I run it. Just I create the one of the function. If number is 0, return only 1. Else you can actually factor in that's name. So just if a 5 factorial, it means if you want 5 factorial, it's equal to 5 next n minus 1. Yes. 4. That is, this is n minus 1. So it means n minus 1. After you get 3, multiplication of 2, and then 1. This is the factorial concept. It will reduce, if a number, it will reduce 1 by n minus 1 in this order. So I write this rule in this concept. Okay, so out I written the factor. If any other numbers, it will return only fact number. So I give the number is 5. I think it's 129. So I run it. It's just give only 20. I think if any mistake, 5, 4, 23. So okay guys, you can give fact. And see now, we get 120. So in this place, we can give function name. Okay, if I give just 0, it return only 1. See this, I give 1, it will return 1. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and then share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you all.